You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. I do have tons of more videos of confusing vocabulary and incredible amount of names that so many people get so wrong. Stay tuned, I'll link to give more to you soon. So it's not Brooke, okay? It's spelled Brooke, but it's actually pronounced Brooke. It's much like, you don't say a book, you say a book, right? B-O-O-K is a book, not a book. So it's not Brooke, it's Brooke, Brooke. And the E at the end is essentially silent, so don't worry about it. Book. And now you know, was this any helpful? Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.